Assalamu alaikum class. Today we will start unit number 4 exponents. How we define exponents. The exponent of a number indicates us how many times a number base is multiplied with itself. Here are two words, exponent and base. I am telling you about the exponent and base here. For example, here is the number a square and here 2 is called the exponent and a is called the base. That's mean above the base the number is called the exponent. So now I will explain your definition of exponent. Here is the number 11 square. What is the meaning of 11 square here? This exponent tell us that we multiply base with itself 2 times because exponent is 2. जितना आपका exponent होगा आप उसके base को उतनी दफ़ा multiply करवा देंगे. Is that clear? Here the base is 11. We multiply by 11 2 times because the exponent is 2. Next, the exercise 4.1, identify the exponential and base in each of the following. Here AB, here is the question, AB to the raised by n. So what is the exponent and what is the base? Under the exponent the number is called base. AB is called the base and n is called the exponent. Similarly, minus 1 over 6 is called the base and 6 is called the exponent. X over m is called the base and exponent is called the m. Now question number 2, express each of the following in exponential form. Here the expanded form of a number is given. 1 over 10, 1 over 10, 1 over 10. It's how many times? 3 times. That's mean this number is 3 times and we write this number in exponential form as minus 1 over 10. And how many times minus 1 over 10? 3 times. So we write exponent 3. This is the exponential form of this expanded form. Here is the expanded form minus a minus a minus a. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That's mean base is same minus a. And how many times this minus a? 7 times. Base is 7, base is minus a. We add the exponents of this base and exponent is 7. Next question is prove that minus 1 over 8 to the raised by 3 equal to minus 1 over 512. जब भी आपके पास प्रूव डैट का क्वेश्चन आता है डैट्स मीन वहाँ पे आपने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल प्रूव करना होता है. अब यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो है वो आपकी टेक कर रही हूँ minus 1 over 8 to the raised by 3. Now we will write this exponential form in expanded form. How we will write this in expanded form? It's mean minus 1 over 8 is multiplied by 3 times. We write minus 1 over 8 in 3 times like this. Minus 1 over 8, this and this. So we multiply numerator and denominator. Numerators are minus 1 3 times and denominator is minus 8 3 times. So when we multiply minus 1 by minus 1, minus minus plus 1. So when we multiply plus 1 by minus 1, so 1 multiply by 1, 1 plus minus 1, 1. So answer will be minus 1. When we multiply 8 to 8, 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are 512. So this will be equal to right hand side. Hence it is proved that left hand side equal to right hand.